Assalamu alaikum guys. If you are still confused how you can access your online resources and how you can submit your assignments, here is a short video to explain how you can do it. Okay, first go to folders. In folders, go to English. We have week one, then click on here. We have the files and the materials for this week. Okay, this do now we started by that last Thursday. Okay, here you have the story itself. In this one actually we have a short presentation which is guide you how you can study for your lesson and how you can submit your assignments. Okay, learning intention. The story title is and of are we created. We have success criteria, assignments instruction. Here you have to this is the instruction how all students should create a PowerPoint for all of their assignments so they can submit them later on Edmodo. Okay, vocabulary lesson 1, skim, highlight 10 unfamiliar words, try to guess the meaning of these words while you are reading, try to check your meaning. We have online resources, online dictionary. Okay, also you can do one online activity about the vocabulary. Okay, the next assignment is the first assignment actually is to create a PPT, which is as I said before, PowerPoint for the 10 unfamiliar words and try to use them in your own sentences. Okay, and here this is the rubric for this assignment 1. Okay, then listen to the story. We have audio book, or you can read it and you have to answer these 2 questions. Okay, this is not assignment, this is only an activity. Okay, then task 2, which is author's perspective. Here there's an online video to explain that skill. 2 questions to check your understanding of that skill. Okay, you have to give examples that you understand that skill. Okay, then assignment 2, which is about the author's perspective itself. Here you have to create, or sorry, to read page 585 and to guess, or sorry, to figure out what's the author's perspective, to identify what is her perspective, and then while you are reading, try to cite any evidences about that perspective and try to explain that. Okay, now the next step is how I can submit my work. For example, feedback here, actually you leave it till you should do it the last assignment. Okay, for example, English vocabulary. Here I have to view the assignment. Because I am a teacher, so I have different page here. Okay, but for students you'll find the instructions of that assignment. Okay, and you have down here at the bottom as turn in assignment, means to submit your assignment. Okay, turn in, you just click on turn in, then you'll submit your assignment for your teacher. Okay guys, that's all. Do your best, and I'm so happy that all of you are some of you actually they submit their some of their assignments. Okay, thank you so much.